How's it going, everyone? Mike here with May 25th Merch by Amazon sales update. 25th is this is the day right here that we're looking at. Total number of sales, as you can see here in the US, is 8 and 1 in Italy for the total of 9. Let's look at some of these numbers and see what's been happening. As you can see, I mean, this stands out right away. Like, there's absolutely no consistency. You know, going from 14 sales to 4 to 5, then dropping down and then spiking back up. This is highly irregular, right? So when stuff like this happens, my theory, again, just a theory based on absolutely nothing, I guess it's just an opinion, you know, in that case, is that something is happening behind the scenes. So usually when something like this happens, you know, of course I don't like to blame it on my designs or anything like that. I just like to say, hey, Amazon's doing something behind the scenes. And it seems like it, right? So right now, for the last couple of days, this is today, and the day is not over. So we're kind of halfway through the day, and it's already looking much better than most days this week. So basically what's been happening is it's been all over the place. But the one thing that I've been kind of pointing out and making an emphasis on is that the 7-day average and the monthly average are staying kind of where we want them to, and also as expected. So the 7-day average, as of right now, this day included, even with these days, is 56, which is slightly higher than what's been happening for the last couple of weeks. So that's actually good. So I've been saying for the last couple of days, every time I see something like this and I look at the numbers, like the monthly numbers, I say there's a big chance that this month might catch up to the previous month of April, or even slightly beat it. Now I'm just looking at the US numbers, but potentially it could happen across all the marketplaces. So the total number of sales might actually beat the previous month, which is good, because the expectation is, and if we look at the monthly sales here, not that number, if we look at the monthly sales, is we are expecting a summer dip. We're expecting the sales to go down just simply because this is the slow period of the year. And if we're keeping up with the sales or sticking kind of around the same numbers or exceeding it, that means that we're doing better than expected, right? Because of that expectation. So as you can see here, 165 compared to 193, and then we have 5.5 days left, which we could get another 40 or 50, which would beat that 193. Now, as I said, this is the total for yesterday, 9. But if we look at this month, so far, 189. And I was just quickly doing the math. I've done about $3,300 in sales in total, which is about, not really, but $700 so far. So another week, and if we look at this average, we're going to be doing about like I said, 900 to 1,000. This is just the US, and if we add a couple bucks from other marketplaces, we will be hitting that $1,000 in royalties, which is amazing. So going from the dip to 4, and then 8, and then today, as I'm recording this, we're already at 9. Things are improving. Now, I have no idea what's going to happen tomorrow, because Thursday was the big dip last week, but we'll see. So anyways, I guess in summary, things are going slightly better than expected. And if we want to be fair, we can say things are going as expected. And that's good. That's good. So, I'll point this out just at the end. Please don't forget to list, guys. List, because you're not going to get that opportunity again. 400 products today is still 400 products, right? It's only like 5-6 designs, depending on how many you want to push it to. But do not miss a day, because it adds up, right? I'm still waiting for them to increase the 400. I'm hoping they will one day, so we can really do large uploads. But for right now, and the reason I keep saying list is because we won't get these days back, and 400 each day actually adds up. As YouTube likes to recommend I say so, please, if you did like this video, hit the like button and subscribe. It'll get it in front of more people who have common interests and like this kind of content. But if you have any questions, comments, or anything else, you know where to leave those, guys. Okay, see you soon.